Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at Aether 11, a custom Windows 11 build designed for users who want a cleaner, lighter, and more optimized Windows experience. Custom Windows editions have become increasingly popular among low-end PC users, gamers, and performance enthusiasts looking to reduce background processes and system overhead. In this review, we'll download the ISO, install Aether 11 from scratch, explore the desktop environment, check its resource usage, storage footprint, and overall responsiveness, and see what makes this build different from standard Windows 11. If you're searching for a lightweight Windows 11 edition for older hardware or simply want to try something new, this video should help you decide whether Aether 11 is worth your time. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with the installation. Now let's download Aether 11 from the Temus website. First, open your web browser and visit the Temus page using the link provided in the video description. Before you can download the ISO file, you'll need to create a free Temus account and sign into the website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Aether 11 download page where you'll find multiple download options provided by the developer. You can choose between the SD version, the WIM version, or download the ISO through a torrent file, depending on your preference. After selecting your preferred version, start the download and wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to create a bootable USB drive and continue with the installation process. Next, we'll take a closer look at Aether 11 and explore what this custom Windows 11 build has to offer.